Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage Messenger notification. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Facebook Messenger can be annoying and group chat make it even worse. However, using the app is basically a fact of life. While you might not be able to function without it, in this video I will show you the detail how to manage your notification on your Messenger app. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Messenger. Now you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. You can tap on the gear icon on here. You can scroll down. On preferences section, there is an option notification and sounds. You can tap on that. Here you can manage what notification that you want to turn off. Maybe you only want to get notification from messages. You can just enable this toggle and turn off the other toggle like this. So you will only get notified when there is a message for you on the messenger. But if you also want to get notification from suggested, you can just tap activate the toggle here. So here and here you can choose you can manage the notification that you want to activate, so you will not get annoyed from too much notification or your messenger. So that is how to manage notification on Messenger. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.